Hi guys, hi guys. Welcome back to a new vlog, an exciting one. We have a party at home, and this party is for this lady who is disturbing me. She is going to school, so this is a farewell party plus a welcome party. It's combined, it's 2 in 1, but it's a mini party just for few family members. Tete Moresa Ivan, muzozviona pa TV munongoti makadi henyu kana ngoti how are you?
Makusha family.
Makusha Rwarinda / Royal Highness.
Yes.
Muchazviona pa TV So this is what is happening, guys. Someone is going to university. I don't know why last bonds are very, very much spoiled. See, like, this one, you know him. We're with him. My Makusha Magari Samsuna Kumoti.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
So this is what is happening, guys. We are buying this one. They will fix it. My brother and my husband will fix it. Then see my husband. I'm proud as a wife. Yes, Wena baby. Yes.
He's doing all those posts.
This is my brother watching my husband working. Imagine. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. The queen is in the building, period. We are back in Harare, and today it's a party day. It's a combined party day. A farewell for my sister. She's going to university somewhere in Asia, and a welcome party for my husband. That's why you are seeing the preparations. We have meat for sheep, and my husband is now is my brother who is cutting firewood for us to dry, and I'm busy in the kitchen. I'm busy in the kitchen doing kosolo. To those who don't know kosolo, I'm doing salads. Anyway, see you later. Know him already.
Hi guys.
And what are you doing today? He's doing nothing. It's a party and he's doing nothing. All he's doing is eating these things. Eating masao. I don't know what you call this in your language. So, ciao. Per second.
Nemia, Sara upezise, bagasi ya mambo.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. The queen is in the building. Good morning. Pom 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 pom. Meet my little sister. I'm not sure if you have met this little sister of mine. This is the last one. I think you met the second from last sister of mine. So this vlog is not a new vlog. We are going to continue from where we left that day at the party, when we were doing a party, but we couldn't continue with the vlog because there were no lights, like we didn't have electricity. So yeah, we didn't have electricity, so we couldn't like vlog much. We ended up singing all the way until we slept. So maybe I will off when we were singing, but we were in the dark. So today this little sister of mine, she's going to India. Pam 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 pam. We have a new designer in Zimbabwe, a big one for that matter. From now onwards, if you see me on red carpet, I'll be wearing my sister's designers. Yes.
Even interior decoration.
Everything. So she's going to India for 3 to 4 years to start
Fashion design.
Yes.
Cutting.
And
blah blah blah
blah blah blah and so on. So the other sister wants to greet you in the vlog. And also this one, she's going to open a YouTube channel as soon as possible. I think both of them. Then I will link their channel links down below. So yes guys, pray for my young sister, and yeah, everyone is happy at home. And today that's what we are going to show you.
And we are having insights.
Yes, she is anxiety, but it's more like everyone in the family is anxiety. We didn't sleep, we couldn't sleep, and now everyone is running stomach. I don't know what is going on. Since she's a last born, I think everyone is just scared. And yeah, so guys, this is what we are doing today. And yeah, let me show you my parents. They are preparing. My mom, she's shaving my dad, like giving her a cheese cup, plain cut. This is the other one, you know her. We went to Marondera together. Say hi. Hello. She's still sleepy, but it's fine because we wake up early in the morning, like it's around 6, to prepare for a plane that is leaving at around 3 p.m. So if you know, you know. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share. Ciao. The queen will be back very soon. So guys, the preparation of going to the airport. You know Zichi? Zimbabwe International. RG Robert Mugabe.
Yes.
Robert Mugabe International Airport. You see the lines. You need to come and support the queen. If you know, you know. So this is the preparation. I want her to wear a wig, you know, since the last born is leaving. Nanti. Yeah, right. Yeah, so guys, we are now going to the airport. We are now going to the airport, guys. Go with us. Ina na upanzo wape matambula ndaita kupaima.
Mabuya nakaoda. Vani seko mama.
So guys, we are here now. We passed by this place to buy food since at the airport.
Daddy, mnomzia. Make am fans wa moshanda na wai. Make am fans.
We fit. Wandiwe kele bwa fit. Makuo se fit wani.
Yay. Cara.
Hi guys, hello. So guys, we are at the international. Bye. She's leaving now, guys. She's leaving now. So this is like last minute things. We are now saying goodbye. We'll see maybe after 2 years or after 4 years. Let me show you my family. What those plastics there for us, guys? I want to also dash cafe. So guys, this is like last minute things. I don't know why I'm coming out like this. I didn't want to look like this. I just wanted to look simple, but everyone like looked serious, and I ended up you see my dad, and I ended up wearing like serious dress. andingovaudza hangu kuti ndandisingadi kuluka serious but imimi mapfeka suit
Because I'm wearing a suit.
so I ended up looking like this. So guys, we have a good news in the house, in the building. We came back from the airport and only for my brother to surprise us with a car. My brother bought a car. And my young sister, the one I went with, the one we went with to Marondera, the other one, the tall one, the one with logs. She's the one who is driving now. So my brother bought a car, guys. Makadini paya. Ah. This is great, guys. Please celebrate with us. This is my Magusha. There is my mom, guys. She's here.
Say hi. The
driver, pum. And the passenger.
Can you close our door, please? We want to promote.
Where are you going?
We want to promote.
All